We proceed the chapter complex number exercise 5.1 and fourth part of question number 1. We have to express in the form of a plus iota. Express the complex number in the form of a plus iota. So the fourth part of first question is 3 into 7 plus iota 7. 3 into 7 plus iota 7 plus iota into 7 plus iota 7 plus iota into 7 plus iota 7. So we remove the bracket. 3 multiplied by both the terms. 3 into 7, 21 plus 3 into 7, 21 iota plus iota into 7, 7 iota and iota into 7 iota. We get 7 iota square. Now 21 plus 21 iota plus 7 iota and iota square is written as minus 1. So we get 21 plus 21 iota plus 27 iota. 21 iota plus 7 iota. We get 28 iota and plus minus of 7. Now 21 minus 7, 14 plus 28 iota. So this is the complex number which have been written in the form of a plus iota b, where a is the real part 14 and b is the imaginary part which is 18. Now its fifth part is 1 minus iota minus 1 minus iota minus 1 plus iota into 6 minus 1 plus iota into 6. So we remove the bracket. 1 minus iota minus plus 1 and minus plus minus 6 iota. Iota into 6 also is written as 6 iota. So 1 plus 1, 2 and minus iota minus 6 iota is written as minus of 7 iota, but we have to write in the form of a plus iota b. So we write in this way, 2 plus minus of 7 iota, where the real part a is 2 and the imaginary part b is minus of 7. Next question, sixth question, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus iota into 1 by 5 plus iota into 2 by 5 multiplied minus 4 plus iota into 5 by 2 minus 4 plus iota into 5 by 2. We have to express in the form of a plus iota b. So we remove the bracket and it would be written 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 iota and minus 4 and minus plus minus 5 by 2 iota. So 1 by 5 minus 4 would be written together. Real part would be written together. And from the imaginary part, we take plus iota as common. Then we get 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. We take LCM 5. So 1 minus 20 plus iota. Then again LCM 10 and 4 minus 25. 10 divided by 2, 5 and 5 into 5, 25. Now 1 minus 20, 1 minus 20 minus 19 by 5 and 4 minus 25. This is minus 21 by 10 and iota. So the real part is minus 19 by 5, means A is minus 19 by 5, and the imaginary part means B is minus 21 by 10. Minus 21 by 10. Question number 7. 1 by 3 plus iota into 7 by 3. 1 by 3 plus iota into 7 by 3. 1 by 3 plus iota into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus iota into 1 by 3. 4 plus iota into 1 by 3 minus minus 4 by 3 plus iota. Minus 4 by 3 plus iota. So firstly we remove the bracket. So 1 by 3 plus, this can be written as 7 by 3 iota plus 4 and plus 1 by 3 iota. Then minus plus 4 by 3 and minus plus minus iota. Now put together the real part. So 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. Put together the real part. 1 by 3 plus 4 plus 4 by 3. And from the imaginary part, take iota as common. So we get 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and minus 1. We have taken plus iota as common. From this term, we take LCM 3, 1 plus 12 plus 4 and plus iota. Again taking LCM 3, we get 7 plus 1 minus 3. So 12 plus 4, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 by 3 plus iota. And 7 plus 1, 8, 8 minus 3, 5 by 3. So we can write in this way, 17 by 3 plus 5 by 3 iota. So this has been expressed in the form of A plus iota B, where A, the real part, is 17 by 3 and B, the imaginary part, is 5 by 3. Now question number 8. 1 minus iota raised to the power 4. 1 minus iota raised to the power 4. We have to express this in the form of A plus iota B. So we can write this 1 minus iota square, the whole square. Because power gets multiplied. So 1 minus iota raised to the power 2, whole raised to the power 2, it becomes 1 minus iota raised to the power 4. Now we express on the form A minus B the whole square. So A square means 1 the whole square minus 2AB, 2 into 1 into iota, plus B square means iota square, and whole the square. So we get 1 minus 2 iota, and iota square is written as minus of 1 raised to the power 2. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, and we get minus 2 iota the whole square, minus the square plus 2 the square 4 iota square plus 4 iota square, and iota square is written minus 1. So 4 into minus 1, we get minus of 4. Then we have to express in the form of a plus iota b. So we can write minus of 4 plus. This is pure real number because there is no any term containing the imaginary part. So 0 into iota, where the real part is minus 4 and the imaginary part is 0. Next question number 9. 1 by 3 plus 3 iota. 1 by 3 plus 3 iota whole raised to the power 3. So this will be expanded on the formula a plus b the whole cube, and this is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. So we expand on the form a plus b the whole cube. So a cube means 1 by 3 the cube plus 3 into a square means 3 into 1 by 3 square into b. B means 3 iota plus 3 into a. A means 1 by 3 into b square means 3 iota the whole square plus b cube, and the value of b is 3 iota. So 3 iota the whole cube. So 1 the whole cube. 1 the power 3 is 1 and 3 the power 3 is 27 plus 3 into 1 by 3 the square 9 into 3 iota plus 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and 3 iota the whole square, we get 9 iota square plus 3 the power 3 27 and iota cube. Now 3 3s are 9 and 9 gets cancelled. So we get 1 by 27 plus iota, and iota square is minus 1. So it becomes minus 9 and plus 27 iota cube is written as iota square into iota. Now 1 by 27 plus iota minus 9, and iota square becomes minus 1. So it comes minus of 27 iota. Now the real part taken together, 1 by 27 minus 9, and iota is taken, iota plus 27 iota, iota minus 27 iota, iota minus 27 iota, it gives minus of 26 iota. So by taking LCM 27, we get 1 minus 243, 1 minus 243, and plus minus minus 26 iota, and this implies 1 minus 243, this is minus of 242 upon 27 and minus of 26 iota, and this will be written in the form of a plus iota b, a plus iota b. So minus 242 by 27 plus minus of 26 iota, where the real part is minus 242 by 27 and the imaginary part is minus of 26. Now the next question. which we discuss is question number 10. Question number 10. -2 minus 1/3 iota the whole cube. -2 minus 1/3 iota the whole cube. -2 minus 1/3 iota the whole cube. So the very first we take minus as common inside. Minus taken common inside the bracket, so we get 2 plus 1/3 iota the whole cube, and minus raised to the power 3, it gives minus. So minus 2 plus 1/3 iota the whole cube. This will be again expanded on the form a plus b the whole cube. Minus would be taken outside, so the formula is a cube means 2 the cube plus 3 into a square 2 the square 4 into b 1/3 iota plus 3 into a into b square 1/3 the square 1/9 iota square and plus b cube means 1/3 iota the whole cube. So minus 2 raised to the power 3, 8, 3 and 3 gets cancelled and it comes plus 4 iota. 3 is 9. Iota square is -1. So minus 2/3 and plus 1/3 the power cube 1/27 and iota cube. Iota cube is written as iota square into iota. So minus 8 plus 4 iota minus 2/3. Iota square is written as -1. So it becomes minus 1/27 iota. Now the real part taken together. So 8 minus 2/3 and taken iota as common, so 4 minus 1/27. So minus taking LCM 3, we get 24 minus 2 and plus iota. The LCM is 27, 108 minus 1. So 24 minus 2, this gives 22. So 22/3 plus 108 minus 1. 108 minus 1, 107 by 27 iota. So the real part is 22/3 and the imaginary part is 107 upon 27. Now the next type of question. Next type of question, find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. So firstly we will understand what is the multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of a plus iota b is equals to 1 by a plus iota b. So for finding the multiplicative inverse, we make it reciprocal, the complex number. We make it reciprocal, the complex number. Why it is called multiplicative? Because a plus iota b cancel and the result should become 1. After multiply, if the result is 1, then it is called multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of a plus iota b comes to be 1 upon a plus iota b. 1 upon a plus iota b. So we have to make the reciprocal and then solve. So question number 11. We have to find the multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3 iota. Multiplicative inverse in short form, it is represented by mi. So multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3 iota. So we make it reciprocal, means 1 by 4 minus 3 iota, and then we rationalize by opposite sign of the denominator. 4 plus 3 iota upon 4 plus 3 iota. इमेजिनरी पार्ट के अपोजिट साइड से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सॉल्व करने के लिए. सो इन न्यूमरेटर प्लेस वी गेट 4 plus 3 iota and in the denominator we will solve. We use the identity a minus b into a plus b. This is a square minus b square. So 4 plus 3 iota equals to 16 minus 9 iota square and 4 plus 3 iota upon 16 minus 9 into the value of iota square is minus 1. The value of iota square is minus 1. So we get 4 plus 3 iota upon 16 plus 9 and 4 plus 3 iota upon 25. So we will write in this way: 4 by 25 plus 3 by 25 iota. So this is the multiplicative inverse. For finding the multiplicative inverse, we make the reciprocal of complex number. We make the reciprocal of complex number. The next question is question number 12. Question number 12, root 5 plus 3 iota. So multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3 iota. Root 5 plus 3 iota. So for finding the multiplicative inverse, simply we have to make it reciprocal. So 1 by root 5 plus 3 iota and then rationalize. So root 5 minus 3 iota upon root 5 minus 3 iota. And we get root 5 minus 3 iota. This will be expanded on the form a plus b and a minus b. So it gives a square minus b square. So root 5 minus 3 iota upon root 5 the square 5 minus 9 iota square and root 5 minus 3 iota root 5 my iota square is minus 1 minus plus. So 5 plus 9 and 5 plus 9 is 14. So root 5 minus 3 iota upon 14, which is written as root 5 by 14 plus minus 3 by 14 into iota. Means we have to write in the very last. The answer should be written in the form of a plus iota. The answer should be written in the form of a plus iota b. Now the multiplicative inverse of minus iota. Multiplicative inverse of minus iota. Again, multiplicative inverse of minus iota. So we make the reciprocal 1 by minus iota and then just like. So iota, iota, multiply by numerator and denominator by iota. So we get iota into 1 iota plus minus minus iota square. So iota upon iota square is minus 1 minus minus plus 1. So the result we get iota, and which is written as 0 plus iota. So this is the way to find the multiplicative inverse. Now the last question. The last question, expressed in the form of a plus iota. So 3 plus iota root 5. 3 plus iota root 5 and 3 minus iota root 5. 3 minus iota root 5 upon root 3 plus root 2 iota. Root 3 plus root 2 iota and minus root 3 minus root 2 iota. Root 3 plus root 2 iota minus root 3 minus root 2 iota. So we have to express in the form of a plus iota. So in the numerator we use the identity a plus b and a minus b. So a square minus b square means root 5 iota the whole square, and the denominator term we expand. So root 3 plus root 2 iota and minus root 3 and minus minus plus root 2 iota. So 3 the square 9 minus root 5 the square 5 iota square upon plus root 3 minus root 3 gets cancelled, and root 2 iota plus root 2 iota we get 2 root 2 iota. So 9 minus 5 into the value of iota square. The value of iota square is minus 1. So 9 minus 5 into minus 1 upon 2 root 2 iota. Now it gives 9 minus minus plus 5 upon 2 root 2 iota, and 9 plus 5 14. So we get 14 upon 9 plus 5 14 upon 2 root 2 iota. 2 root 2 iota. It gets cancelled by 7 and it comes 7 by root 2 iota. Now in denominator there must not be the term containing iota, and if there is a term containing iota in the denominator, so we will have to multiply the numerator and denominator by iota to remove this iota. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by iota, then we get 7 iota upon root 2 iota into iota, root 2 iota square. Root 2 iota into iota, root 2 iota square. So 7 iota upon iota square is minus 1. So minus would be outside written and root 2. So we get minus 7 by root 2, minus 7 by root 2 iota, minus 7 by root 2 iota. Now we have to write it down in the form of a plus iota. So this is the pure imaginary part because the real part is 0. So we will write in this way 0 plus minus 7 by root 2 into iota. So this has been expressed in the terms of a plus iota. In the terms of a plus iota. minus 7 root 2 upon 2 iota. And then also we the rest like this. So minus 7 by root 2 multiplied by root 2 in numerator and denominator. So we get minus 7 root 2 upon 2, root 2 into root 2 iota. And to express in the form of a plus iota b, we write 0 plus minus 7 root 2 by 2 into iota. So this is the form a plus iota b.